Last time we got our boost issue figured out with the C30. She's going strong, pulling hard, being all kinds of awesome. However, we are far from finished with our Project C30. There's a lot of little things we need to take care of. So today, I'm going to walk you through everything that is still wrong with our C30. Hey guys, what's going on and welcome back to Shifting Lanes. My name's Chad. That is our 2008 Volvo C30 project car that is finally making 17 PSI of boost. It was a long, stressful trip that was made longer and more stressful because, well, let's face it, I was a bit of a dumbass. If you want to find out just how big of a dumbass I am, click the card above me because, yeah, it was something pretty stupid and pretty simple. That's in the past. Everything's working there as it should. However, we still have a lot of little things that we need to address on the C30 before we can consider her done. So we're going to go basically around the car. I'm going to walk you around the car and point out everything that is still wrong with my C30. So let's get to it.
Shifting Lanes would like to thank this month's sponsor, Avalon King Armor Shield 9. Check the link in the description below to go to their website and see their ceramic coating next level product, Armor Shield 9. Use code SHIFT25 to receive $25 off your purchase of Armor Shield 9. We have this on our cars and it is an amazing product. Get yours today. Check the link in the description below or go to avalonking.com and use code SHIFT25.
And we start in the engine bay. Now, obviously, she's working, or everything's working as it should, except for our coolant. We have a coolant leak somewhere. Now, it is either that bottle right there is leaking, which is a known issue with these cars, or there is a hose down in there somewhere that has actually gone bad and is starting to leak. So I have actually been topping this off pretty regularly just to be safe, but that is probably the first thing we need to kind of get figured out before we do anything else, because pretty much everything else is strictly cosmetic. So our that is still missing. Obviously, I do have it, so that's going to be a quick, easy fix. Our headlights, if you can see here, I still need to sand the or buff out the excess. You could kind of see it a little better on this one. The excess clear coat that I put on there way back in the summer, still haven't gotten to that. Moving around the car, lighting is a bit tricky here, but you can see that this is not lined up. It's actually ripped out at the bottom. Not sure how that happened. I may have jacked the car up improperly at some point, but yeah, that's some more body work that basically needs to be addressed. So as we make our way inside the car, there's only a couple issues here that I really want to address. We still have a little bit of or not a little bit, we definitely have a crack in our speaker cover here, and some minor tearing on the seats. Nothing too crazy, but the biggest issue in here is our clutch pedal. Now, it goes to the floor, obviously, but then it'll get stuck. Now, I'm not sure if that's a clutch return spring or something worse, but in my experience, I'm pretty sure it's the return spring because it does kind of pop back out into place. But yeah, it's a little disconcerting when your clutch pedal only moves like that much. Also in here, we have a broken shifter boot. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera, but yeah, there it is. You can see we got that broken. That's a pretty simple, easy fix there. But, and there's the slight ripping I was talking about. You see someone's already repaired it as well. But the only other issues that I really know about it, well, actually, this isn't so much of an issue as much as kind of an aesthetic thing. We do still need to lower our rear springs, and also not so much the engine bay, but the skid guard. I want to get an aluminum skid guard in here to protect obviously the oil pan and things like that. So yeah, so I don't rip off my oil pan or do other basic damage that I'm gonna regret. So yeah, we don't have a lot to get done, and I'm going to be trying to knock these little projects out one by one or two by one, or basically how much time I have to get these things pretty much sorted and stuff I don't have to worry about. To be 100% honest, the little coolant leak and the clutch pedal are my two biggest concerns. The aesthetic stuff, that should be relatively simple and easy, but yeah, obviously making the boost we're making now, we're making a little extra heat with the horsepower, so yeah, leaking coolant isn't necessarily a great thing to have in that particular situation. Neither is clutch slip, so not that I'm having clutch slip, but the clutch pedal has me a little bit concerned. I'm going to be banging those, like I said, I'm going to be banging those out while we actually have some really exciting news we're going to be bringing to you guys in the new year, so definitely stick around for that. And that's pretty much it, guys. I want to thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button. Also hit the notification bell. All that little stuff helps you get the content when you want it, and it helps us out making more content for you guys. So definitely do those things. If you want to continue the conversation, hit us up on social media at Shifting Lanes and at Chenedy83. I'm more than happy to talk to you guys on there. A lot of you reach out to me and offer a lot of really good suggestions. If you guys want to help out, there's a few ways you guys can do that. Number one, buy yourself some merch. The Teespring link down below me here. Head over there, get yourself some awesome Volvo and Shifting Lanes themed apparel. Every dime we make from that goes basically back into our channel so we can create more content for you guys. If you really like us and say you want to, I don't know, see Chad get a LSD in his C30, head on over to our Patreon page. Thank you so much to our supporters over there. We are going to try to get more patron exclusive content over there in the new year. Just for you guys, so we appreciate it. We love the fact that you guys are willing to support us. We're just average guys, and the fact that you people are taking some of your money to help us out kind of blows me away. So we got a few little things left to do, or at least I hope they're little things. Really hope they're little things. A couple little things left to do on the C30, but they shouldn't be too crazy. So definitely stick around for that. As for this one, that's a wrap, guys, and I'll catch you next time.